Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make these peanut butter chocolate heart Valentine's Day cookies. They're very easy and simple to put together, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, that will be linked in the description, along with the original recipe link for these cookies, and also the measurements will be in the description as well, so make sure to check that out if you plan on making this recipe. Now let's just get on to the video. The first thing you want to do is add all of your dry ingredients into a small bowl and whisk until combined, and then set that aside while we work on the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you want to add your softened butter and your sugars and mix that until combined. Then you're going to add your egg, vanilla extract, and peanut butter and mix that till combined as well. I also really quickly just want to mention the original cookie recipe makes 48 cookies, half of that is 24 and half of that is 11, so I decided to 1/3 the recipe and make 11 cookies. So the measurements for 11 cookies will be in the description, along with the original measurements for 48 cookies. If you want to, you can do 24 by just having the original recipe. So I just wanted to point that out. Hopefully you guys understood that, but yeah, let's just go on with the video. Once you're done mixing all your wet ingredients together, you just want to add half of your dry mixture to the wet and mix that until it's a little bit combined, and then add the rest of the dry mixture to the wet and mix that until it's just combined, and make sure to not overmix the dough. And once you're finished making the dough, cover it with plastic wrap and set it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now, once your cookie doughs come out the fridge, you can start making your cookies. You can make them how big or small you would like. Also, peanut butter cookies don't really spread that much, just so you know in advance. But I used a 1 tablespoon spoon measurement and used it twice, so 2 tablespoons of cookie dough for each cookie. I just wanted to make sure all the cookies were even, mostly for pictures, but you don't have to do that. You can kind of just eyeball it or use a cookie scoop if you have one. I had one, but it unfortunately broke, so I have to go and get another one. Once you're finished making your cookie dough balls, you have the option to roll them into sugar if you want to. I just decided not to do it. But once you're finished making the cookie dough balls, you just want to press a fork into them twice to make like a crisscross type of decoration on top, and then put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes for 350 degrees. And as soon as they come out the oven, you want to add your chocolate hearts, or you can just add chocolate kisses. It doesn't really matter, because if not, the cookies will set and you won't be able to add the chocolate and it won't like stick to the cookies. So yeah, I'm using these Hershey's chocolate hearts that I got from Target in the Valentine's Day section. They're very easy to find. I saw them at other grocery stores too, but you can just use whatever chocolate hearts you like. It does not matter what brand, and you can just press them into the middle and then just set it aside to cool. Because the cookies are hot, the hearts might melt a little bit, so if you plan on, like if you want it to stay in the heart shape, I recommend just let the cookies cool completely and not touch it, or it will like deform the heart like you can see here. So just leave it. If you want, you can put it in the fridge so the chocolate part can like set easier, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Bye.